Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, I will show you how to work with a text. So we will talk about font, text colors, alignment, text effects, lists, spacing, and etc. Let's come back to our Canva homepage. And now I'm choosing presentation. We can write text in a few different ways. Click on the letter T on the keyboard. And now you are ready to type the text you want. I am writing great for social media. Note that the top menu of your editor suggests various text formatting options. If you don't see the top menu, click near the design and click on the text. And now you see top menu. Click on the text and font name. It expands into a huge list of fonts. As a free Canva user, you can use fonts that are bright and fonts that is with a crown. It is for Canva Pro users. Okay, let's select the font we want and apply it to our text. I'm choosing this one. We can resize our text. In the corners, there are small bubbles. We can also do that using the top menu by clicking on font size plus or minus. Or you can enter font size here and click enter. Or you can just click on the number and select from the list. Okay, we can also change the color of the text. Let's go to the text color here on the bottom, click text color, and now we see the colors. So we can choose any color, or we can click plus, add a new color. Here we can select the color, and here we can search for color we want. When it suits us, we can click near the design. Next, we can make our text bold. Here on the top menu, we see that we can click letter B. If you don't see this option, choose another font. It's okay that some fonts don't have bold option or italic. So we can make our text bold. We can select text and choose the italic or click underline. We can also change the case of the letters. Here we see uppercase, so we can easily change it. We can align the text. Let's mark the text, and now we can align to the left, to the right, or to the center. Here in the top menu, there is a button called List. Here we can add bullets at the beginning of the line, or we can number them, or change them in such a way that there wouldn't be anything. Next, we see the button spacing. We can adjust letter spacing. We can adjust line spacing. Okay, next, let's see effects. Click on the effect, and now we will see styles. We can click shadows, and we can adjust the settings. We can adjust offset. We can adjust direction, blur, transparency, and the color. Let's see other effects. Let's duplicate the text. I'm clicking Ctrl+D, and now let's go to the effects. Let's see lift effect. We can adjust intensity, and now you see a lifted text. Next is hollow. Personally, for me, it looks the best on the photo. Let's add a new page and choose a photo. Let's go to the photos and let's search for holiday photo. I'm choosing this one. Now we can click letter T and we can enter the text. I'm entering holiday. We can take and drag our text. And now let's go to effects and hollow. We can adjust the size. We can adjust thickness. We can search for a better font. I am choosing archive. We can adjust the color. Great, yes. Next effect is splice. We see that we can adjust thickness, offset, direction, and the color. Outline. We can adjust thickness and the color. Echo. We can adjust offset, direction, and the color. Glitch effect. We see how it looks with two colors. We can choose which color we want. Neon effect. Let's choose a photo. I'm searching for neon. Let it be this one photo. Now I'm clicking letter T and entering neon. Now let's go to effects and choose neon. Great, yes. We can adjust intensity and it looks good. Okay, next effect is background. Let's go to the effects and background. And now we see that we have text background. We can adjust roundness, spread, transparency, and the color. Great, yes. Okay, and the last effect is curve. Let's enter the text. I'm entering. Great. For social media. I have 4 texts. So I'm choosing on the first one, and let's come back to effects and curve. And now we can adjust curve. We can make it minus or plus. Let it be plus 100. And now let's choose other text and let's go to effects and curve. And now let's make it minus 100. Now the next word and curve 100. And the last one, curve and minus 100. And now we are dealing with wavy text. Great. We can select all the text and click group. And now it is one group. We can make it bigger or smaller. We can rotate it. Let's see one example. For example, let's go to Elements and search for logo. We can choose graphics and choose any cycle. Now we can enter the text, click letter T, and enter our text. I'm entering Canva course. Now let's go to Effects and Curve. And now we can adjust it. Great, yes? So you can write away with text, maybe create your own logo, write a greeting, or curve your name. So that's it about effects. And now let's see to the left side menu. Here we see the text. Here we can add a heading, add a subheading, enter a little bit a body of text. We see a font combinations. We see free and paid. So we can choose any free combination. And we can enter our text. These texts are grouped, so if we want to adjust, we need to click on group and click near the text. And if we want to group them, we can select all and click group. We can change the text, change the color. Now let's talk about style copying. I'm adding a new page and let's choose any text. Okay, let it be this one. And now let's go to the left side menu and I'm clicking add a heading. Let's mark one text, the first one, and let's go to the top menu and click copy style. When we click it, it gets black and now we can use it. Let's go to another text and click it. The style is changed. It automatically copies the style that we want. And this is the way how we can automatically change different text fonts. We can also add a link into our text. Let's add a page and enter the text. I'm entering Canva Magic Tools. Now we need to copy the link. So I am going to the Udemy site, to the course, and I'm copying the link. Now let's come back to our Canva, click on the text and click 3 dots. Here, 3 dots, more, and choose link. We see shortcut Ctrl+K. Click on it, and now we can paste our text and click done. If the text gets underlines, it shows that we have pasted that link. Let's check. We will talk about downloading in another lesson. Now let's just quickly check. I'm going to share button, clicking download, file type PDF, and I'm choosing only current page and clicking done and download. It is uploaded and let's open it. I'm clicking on the text and we can see everything is working. That's all about the text. I hope it was useful for you and see you in the next lesson.